Today we are tuning the Sevr broadheads. I kind of want to walk you guys through my shot process when broadhead tuning, how to actually broadhead tune, and then also show you guys some sick features that these Sevr broadheads have that make tuning way easier, way more cost effective. Let's get into it. First off, I am shooting the Sevr 1.75 hybrids. These are great broadheads. So in every Sevr broadhead case, it'll come with the broadhead. It also comes with this little baggie that has a lock screw and a few extra rubber bands. Okay, so to broadhead tune, you will want to make sure that you take this little screw out of its case. So you just want to thread this little screw so it's in and just flush with this end. That'll allow these blades to stay locked. I go ahead and I take this rubber band off. This is just a holder for when you're shooting at animals to ensure that they don't come out. Now we're ready to broadhead tune. Just screw this on. Let's go see how it does. So when broadhead tuning, you want to make sure that your bow is completely tuned. So check your axle to axle, check your timing, make sure everything is just completely tuned, because if your bow is not tuned before you broadhead tune, you will be starting from square one. Also make sure that your bow is paper tuned. It'll help you out tremendously. Another tip before we shoot this, always shoot your broadheads first so you don't cut your fletchings off of your field points. We're going to shoot the one broadhead and then we'll shoot a field point right after. The goal is to get them to line up, and we will actually adjust our rest until they hit the exact same spot. One big misconception is you screw your broadheads on and then you just move your sight to wherever they hit. That is not correct. You will be super inconsistent. Then when you go to shoot targets, you'll have to readjust your sight. This way everything is completely tuned. You can have major confidence in your bow. So I like to start out at 20 yards. I'm using the Sevr target. It has the innovative grid pattern that I can use to see which way I'm hitting, left or right, by exactly what measurement. So I know how many clicks to do on my rest. It just helps out a ton. So we'll see how we do at 20. That looks pretty good. Well, it looks like we're on at 20. It's always a good sign. These broadhead tune so easily. We'll move back since I know everything's pretty dialed, and we'll be able to see the difference. Looked pretty dang good. See if I can put another one in there and we'll have to call it good. Boom. I just smacked the other arrow. At 40 yards, dang it. I didn't want to do it, but I did. Smacked my other arrow. That is why you always shoot your broadhead first. I mean, that was just a field point. If I would have had those blades on there, that would have destroyed that arrow even more. But I mean, I guess it's good to know that it's on at 40 and I can Robin Hood an arrow with a broadhead and a field point after my bow is paper tuned. So definitely check out Sevr. They have some of the best broadheads that broadhead tune. Super nice, super easy, super efficient. That locking screw is amazing. They pull from the target, super easy. Check out Sevr's target. Makes this way easy, knowing inch by inch where you're hitting so you can get dialed.